Just got one of them. They must be good down the hill a little bit.
They're all dead.
Yeah,
Just fucking
watch out, because
three of them.
I reckon down the valley, mate. Watch out.
You want to keep me covered, lads?
Cheers. Thank you. Yeah. Cheers, mate. It was a good hit. Recording now? Red? Gone red?
Yeah.
Yeah? Sweet, let's go. Need to put it to a single shot. I'm using 500 bullets there. Right, I think there's a lot of enemies around here.
I'm just wondering how my brother's getting on.
Hit!
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 You could have fucking warned it.
Bloody hell!
What is the fun in that? I just saw you looking and laughing.
Oh my day, I got that on camera.
I'm sorry, I couldn't.
You could have given a warning.
Great work.
Oh my days. I told you we should have gone that way.
Oh, he's probably going to get nearly hit and go straight to the other side of the head. Get caught napping.
Hey.
Sorry, boy.
Sorry, man. Good shot.
Right, guys, I'm going to ask very politely that this is the red base. If you wouldn't kindly just fuck off.
Sure. Sure.
Down right. Left. All right.
How you doing, man?
Go over the back there, man.
Oh, they're down there. They're down there.
Yeah, down there.
What's your name again?
Dave.
Oh, he's there. You just see his head. Surely.
I'm sure I've got about 4 off him so far.
I can see that guy. Wait. Hit! Literally in the tree there. I'm pulling back in. Sweet. Get there. There you go. What was that? That's sweet. Right, I know where he is. You just see him there.
Oh, I keep forgetting I've got to do
Tom, where are you? Tom! Yeah, come on. Bit hit. I can get this guy here. Where is he? Down there somewhere. Can't see him. Where is he? Surely. Tom, we'll go this way. Okay, go. He's down there. Wait, there's one down there. He's just behind the wood there. Yeah.
That little building block.
See the branches down there? Next to the Marshall.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck it. Need to make a way down there, don't we? You can get down there.
If you give me some cover, I'll make a move down to that tree.
Yeah, cover me, I'll go down.
Stay right, count.
Go, 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 go! Alright, hold on. Where is he? Alright, I'm coming. Shit, get up. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good to go. Alright, we need to get down there somewhere. Shit. I know where he is. They're in the... I've got 2 of them there, but...
Camping on the corner of that box.
He's in the building. He's in the building, lad.
There's one on the back left side as well. I think he's trying to make a move somewhere, but I don't know where. I don't know if that tree that would be any good.
I might go to the tree. Alright, I'm going to make a move in a minute.
The ditch.
Okay, go, go, go. Right, you got a nice bank here. Where is he?
Just inside the door.
There's 2 of them. I think he's been medicked. Tommy, you're... Tom? They're in the woods here. Behind me, to your left. Shit. Is he in that building? Play, Tom.
Flying. Hit.
Fuck. Hold on, wait.
Drop down here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. Shit! He's coming out the doorway. He's in the doorway, Tom. In the building.
Lay some fire on that door and try and get a bit closer.
Tom, do you want me to cover you?
Yeah, we're going down that tree cover.
Hey, go forward, man.
No. You got it. There's range coming from the left-hand side of that hut and I can't see where from.
We need to just go forward, don't we?
Yeah, Rob, cover me a little bit there, Rob. Cover me a little bit there.
Shit. Tom, you got a good shot on the doorway.
Oh, I got it.
Hit! Oh! In the head.
Yeah.
1,
Right over the top
2,
of the thing.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
It's a fucking great shot that was.
Fuck's sake. Can't do anything. That guy.
Got me square at the top of my mask here.
We might distract him.
He's gonna fly with me.
This is our chance. When he walks in front of him, we can run. Which way? Hit!
Oh, that was really close.
I got hit. We're not bullets
Oh,
as
it's
well.
coming out the window as well.
Yeah, we need to get to that hut.
Just the left hand
Where's that?
side in that window, he's down there.
Oh, he's been hit. Yeah, no worries. I'm going to have to reload before we go in.
Yeah, I've got to reload as well. I got...
Fucking hell.
I suppose I could dash one of mine, to be fair.
What?
I didn't think of that, I've got 2 flashes.
You got it. Yeah, let's grab the shield, man. You ready? Go, go, go. Cover! Okay, get behind the shield, get behind the shield. Okay, mate, do you want me to get that building down there?
Yeah, I'll push you,
Yeah? Alright, okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Go forward. Come! You see him? No. If you can get eyes with that shield.
I think he's in the building. There you are.
Sweet. Right, we need to... I think we've got players on the left, mate. In that rat run.
So you want to take that building?
Yeah, let's do it. You ready? You go first, Alex. Actually, fuck it. Oh shit, hit! Oh, he's gone. Cheers, mate. Right.
Very, very big.
If you can get into the in the building, mate.
They're shooting from the left building as well.
They're in that rat run, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh.
The big building.
They're in there, aren't they?
Yeah. Let's go to the building.
We need... Yeah, if you... Ah. Get out. Get out. They hit him about 10 times.
Mr. Madison?
No, I've just shot him.
No.
Yeah, I've just shot him. Do you want to get that, take that building? Ciao, man. They're shooting from the left. Hit! Hit! Fuck, no. Awesome, man.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go back.
Fuck. Fuck.
Yeah.
Oh, they are. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, right, okay, go.
Right, move off on the left.
Tom! Watch out, Dave. If we can take that rat run there.
I really did, man.
Come on. Get in. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good to go.
You come behind.
Dave, you got eyes on him?
There's one inside and there's one in the tree line just straight up there. You can just see him moving. I'm going to see if one of these fuckers will work. Back it towards me.
Put some fire on the rat run.
Come in, you'll go, come on.
Bloody hell.
Hit, behind.
It's up behind! Hit!
Have we got some movement in the bushes over there as well?
They're everywhere.
There we go. Okay, got stuff ready to move at 5 now, guys, if you want to try and move it out.
see someone do it with a pistol or something. This is too heavy. Dave, come on, let's just do it, man. Right, yeah, let's just run.
3 people. Now the coast is clear, man. I can smuggle some on my
Right,
quad,
okay,
man.
you know,
So,
can you take one?
There's the box on the back of the quad. Can you come on the box?
Can you take one?
Yeah, I'll take one.
Right, okay, let's go. Alright, come on, boys, quick.
Ready?
Go. Wait. Okay, go. Hit!
Ah, you got it in.
Hit!
Fair enough, lad.
I got it in though.
Sold it above you. Have you got the one in?
I got one in, boys.
Andy, I'm here. Oh, man, got it. Well, Tom got taken out, I ran in. Nothing to see.
Okay, sweet. Alright, get down, boys. Don't roll on that rat, man.
I've got one more flash there.
Shit! I've not been hit. I didn't get hit. Okay, now I'm hit. Hit! Coming out, hit!
One,
Get in. Just get right in.
4, 5.
Dave, you give me the heads up. Throw it in. Okay. Tom, you make the run to Dave and then I'll come, yeah? Hit! Hit!
Fucking bush.
There's like a sniper guy in the bushes over here. No, he's blue, I think. There's a sniper in the bushes over there. You got him?
Yeah.
You got him already? Sweet. Yeah, he's lying down in the bushes over there. So I don't know.
So he's not dead then?
Well, I don't know. He got all of us when we were trying to take the rat run, so I don't know if he's still there.
There's Red casually walking around the rat run. I don't know if there's nobody on that side, is there?
Has anyone got the hilt there?
There's more.
Yeah, I think yellow's
More
up
reds
there.
up there. So the idea is probably pop up there. Some people lay some suppressor fire across here.
I might run up the hill,
And then everybody else runs up there.
Tom, do you want to run up the hill with me? Dave?
You're going that way?
Yeah.
There's a death trap. They're all up there.
I
just took
out
one of them that was just hailing down on us. Right, okay.
Yeah.
That's one left.
So I think if we're going to go, we should go now while he's gone.
Probably should, yeah.
Are you coming, Dave?
Which way do you want
I'm going to go up there, but I'm going to go round the back. You ready?
We run that way.
Right, 3, 2, 1. Go! Go! Hey, I promise you didn't get me. I swear down, I didn't feel it. Stay. Watch out. Alright, well, you put your hand up there.
Run down.
So, that was basically giving our position away now. Watch out. Okay! Sit there. Good, because we're coming on the back of the rat run. Stay quiet. This guy. That's it. quiet. Right, go, Dave, go this way.
I'll cover the 6, you cover the back.
Clay, mate, come on, call your hit. Sure, I got you then.
I got me, back here.
Play, Dave. I like the GoPro. They're good, aren't they? You can see everything after. Alright, enjoy your game, guys.
I'm going to be on this battle.
Alright. Dave, you've got to come back, man. We can go round. You pinned there, Dave. Dave, we can get round here. Oh, maybe we better go round then, so. Quiet, quiet. Come. Hit! Fuck me.
He's like that fucker straight in the floor, man.
Shit. Hit! Fuck's sake, I have no idea where they are.
Hailstorm it.
You've been hit, mate?
Game over.
Oh, is
Game
it?
over?
Oh.
Game over.
That's it, boy.